Here's a look at the YETI 35-liter Crossroads bag. So it can hold up to 35 liters of water, and it has lots of little pouches. You can definitely slip a laptop or an electronics device in here. I really like this pouch because it's mesh, so it's breathable. If you have anything damp or wet you need to store, that would be a good place. There's 2 of those on top of one another right there. There's tons of space in here. It is really a backpack, but it has the functionality of a suitcase. So one thing I also want to show you, you have a little clip here if you wanted to attach sunglasses or car keys. And then you have all these little extra carrying handles. So you can easily attach it to a rollerboard. You could also use the ergonomic backpack strips on the back to wear it as a standard backpack. The whole backpack weighs 4 pounds. The back is really firm, it's supported and padded. And here's that side handle. You can carry it like a duffel if you need to. The material is really durable. It's made of tough skin nylon, and it is water and tear resistant. As usual, anything YETI is just top quality. They think of everything. This is a great backpack. I definitely recommend it.